for MDF2 Week 4. Um, this is it. This is the last week. It's been a rough month this month. Just a lot of time, a lot of things going on in my house and that kind of thing, and just trying to find every bit of time that I can to sit on it. Trying to redeem myself this week with a nice, pretty functioning app. So this week we have the movie app. Pulling in movies by theater and that kind of thing. This is my right now I'm looking at my object for my theater information. There's the header for it, and so basically creating my call here and creating the strings that is going to store all the info for the theaters, and this one is for the movie information. This one stores all the movie information with theater, and then down here it sets dates for which movies are. Sets the data for which movies are in which theater, and then at the same time, this one picks the ones for which theater has which movies. So in the app, it'll be able to pull correctly and grab the correct ones, because in my view controller, here's my theater info. Got the name, location, and an image. I just picked this little ticket bucket, popcorn bucket with tickets. Then down here I've got my movies, and as you see, all of them have the theater down here. So these are listed at the AMC, these 5 are listed at the Bell Tower, and it will sort them accordingly. So moving on down, setting the number of sections, which is going to be the number of theaters, and this one is setting the number of rows in which section. So it's the array of theaters, and basically which theaters and how many movies are going in it. And this is creating my section header. I had some issues with this. I tried it so many ways. I tried to do like a separate nib file, couldn't get it to pull in. It was just kind of a pain, so I ended up having to go the old school long way with it. Haven't done any of this since like AOC 1, but yeah. There's my headers. Setting the height for the headers, setting the height for the table view cells, creating my table view, creating the cells. And then down here, when you select it, it goes back through all the information, goes back through the objects, sets the current movie, and then what this is going to do is actually going to push the information for the row that I selected over to the detail view, and try to get it to push over to the movie view too. Well, that's not working so much. It's really the only thing I don't have working right now. So just kind of yeah, and that's that for the view controller. So we're going to shoot on over into the detail view controller. It's my header for that, and then I've got pulling the information in when it loads, and then the movie controller. So my movie player. I just used a little video that I made. Kind of went to the way I felt this week. I didn't use an actual trailer, but it said we didn't have to, so I will now run the application. Some of the things that I could have done better was just, once again, it's time management, and then being able to spend more time and just figuring everything out. I'm more of a UI guy. I like I like doing UI stuff. I'm finding out, I guess, more and more as I go along. So anyway, I would like to have been able to spend a little bit more time and figure this out a little bit better, but I'm going to take what I can get at this point. So you go through, you click on a movie, takes you to the detail view, pulls in the show times and the movie name and the movie poster, This can take you back, and then you can go and view the trailer. It's not pulling, like I said, I don't know why it's not pulling the name of the movie in, but the back button works, and we can play. This is my awesome video. So yes, Week 4 made me want to scream just a little bit, but you press stop and it stops the video. And you go back and kind of do the same thing for any of them. Going to machete kills, and then this is my awesome little video. So I wish I would have been able to actually pull the movie trailers over. There's one thing I wish I could have done better, but you know, I'm pretty happy with what I got, considering the amount of time I had to do it within. So anyway, that's it for me this month. And enjoy the 4th.